नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश 4.2 पी.व्ही. सिंधू अँड आयकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस या पाठाचे वर्कशॉप संपूर्ण स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. कंप्लीट द वर्ड्स बाय फिलिंग इन द मिसिंग लेटर्स. फर्स्ट आन्सर डायरेक्ट पाहूया. एन्हान्स, फीचर, लॉन्च, नोटवर्दी, मेंटर, आयडेंटिफाय. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. मेक ॲज मेनी 3 letter and 4 letter वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड कंटेम्पररी. कंटेम्पररी ह्या शब्दावरून जास्तीत जास्त 3 अक्षरी आणि 4 अक्षरी शब्द बनवा. 3 letters वर्ड: कॉर्न, टॉप, नॉट, मेन, पेट, रॅट, नेट, एनी, पेन, टार, टॉन, मॅप, पॅन. 4 letter वर्ड्स: कोन, नोट, टेंट, नेम, रोप, कूप, मेनी, मीन, पार्ट, रेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेक sentences of your own using the following phrases, idioms. दिलेला वाक्यप्रचार किंवा वाक्यांशाचा वापर करून आपल्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यांची रचना करा. ए. टू एन्हान्स फर्दर. आणखी सुधारणा करणे. शी वर्कड हार्ड टू एन्हान्स फर्दर हर स्किल्स इन बॅडमिंटन. बी. टू लॉन्च. सुरू करणे, प्रारंभ करणे. The school plans to launch a new sport program next month. C. To create history. इतिहास रचणे, इतिहास घडवणे. पी.व्ही. सिंधू created history by winning an Olympic medal. Next. Push the envelope. मर्यादा ओलांडणे, नवीन काहीतरी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करणे. The scientist continued to push the envelope in medical research. Next. Week in and week out. सातत्याने. He practices badminton week in and week out. Next. To come out of. बाहेर पडणे, सुटका होणे. She managed to come out of her fears and played confidently. Next. Prepare a profile fact line of Sindhu using from the given points. दिलेले मुद्दे वापरून सिंधूचे एक संक्षिप्त चरित्र तयार करा. सिंधूज प्रोफाईल. 1. फुल नेम पुसरला वेंकटा सिंधू. डेट ऑफ बर्थ द इयर 1995. फादर पी.व्ही. रमणा. मदर पी. विजया. नेटिव्ह ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. Started badminton at the age of 8. First coach Mehboob Ali. Second coach Pulela Gopichand. First major achievement as junior. The 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. First international win on the bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. Honors received: Arjun Award 2013, Padma Shri 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016. Greatest win in 2016 won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. Her great strength, her attitude and the never say die spirit. Next question. Answer in short in your own words. What made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8? वयाच्या 8व्या वर्षी सिंधूने बॅडमिंटन खेळणे का स्वीकारले? Answer. Pulela Gopichand won the All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. Sindhu was just 8-year-old. Then she used to play volleyball. Gopi Chand's victory in England inspired her to play badminton instead of volleyball. So, at the age of 8, she started playing badminton. Next question. What were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old? वयाच्या 14 वर्षापर्यंत सिंधूने यशाची कोणती उद्दिष्टे साध्य केली? Answer. Sindhu's first major achievement came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. She also won the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. She also won double title at the IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Ketan All India Tournaments and Sub-Junior Nationals and the All India Ranking when she was under 13 category. Sindhu won the gold medal in under 14 category at the 51st National School Games in India. These were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old. Next question. What history was created by PV Sindhu in 2016? What was her victory in the following year? 2016 मध्ये PV सिंधूने कोणता इतिहास घडविला? त्या पुढच्या वर्षी तिने कोणता विजय मिळविला? Answer. In 2016, PV Sindhu created history by reaching the final after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's single semi-final in the Rio Olympic. In 2016, Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in badminton at the Olympic. Later, in 2016, she defeated Carolina Marin and won India Open Super Series title. Next question. What are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? PV सिंधू यांच्याकडे कोणकोणते सकारात्मक गुणवैशिष्ट्ये आहेत? Answer. PV Sindhu is hardworking, focused, confident, disciplined and competitive. She has a strong fighting spirit, humility, a positive attitude. Sindhu's dedication and commitment to the sport. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and the never say die spirit. These qualities make her a great athlete and role model. Next question. What role do Sindhu's parents play during her important matches? सिंधूचे पालक तिच्या महत्त्वाच्या सामन्यात कोणती भूमिका बजावत असत? Answer. When Sindhu's parents attend her tournaments, they tell her what she is doing. Her father gives her a summary of how she plays and that is very helpful to her. Because as outsider who look at the game know more about her error or faults, her parents can show or describe exactly where she goes wrong in the game, which she may not notice easily. Next question. What message does Sindhu convey in the last paragraph? शेवटच्या परिच्छेदात सिंधूने कोणता संदेश दिला आहे? Answer. According to Sindhu, if he or she is one of the top players and does not play well and loses in the first or second round, he naturally feels bad, but he needs to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify his her mistakes and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but she need to cope with. Sindhu conveys this message in the last paragraph. Next question. Imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournaments at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. PV सिंधूने नुकताच एक आंतरराष्ट्रीय महत्त्वाचा खेळाचा सामना जिंकला आहे अशी कल्पना करा. तिचं तुमच्या शाळेच्या वतीने अभिनंदन करण्याकरिता एक ईमेल तयार करा. ईमेलचे योग्य स्वरूप वापरा. Answer from ganesh@gmail.com. Net Ideal School Palghar to pvsindhu@gmail.com. Date Monday 18th June 2024. Subject Congratulations on winning badminton tournaments. Dear Sindhu, please accept our congratulations on behalf of our school, Ideal School Palghar. Your recent win in the semi-final and then she won the silver medal in the final match in Rio Olympics. Really commendable. Your exemplary success will always inspire our young players. It is a great honor to our nation. Wish you many great achievements in future. Love you. Yours sincerely, गणेश, आयडियल स्कूल पालघर. आज अशा पद्धतीनं आपण PV सिंधू ॲन आयकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस या पाठाचे वर्कशॉप पाहिले आहेत. आय होप हा जर व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.